This is a Mr12Volt unit, which we've been recommending to E-Series customers to add Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I've been using this unit for the last 2 years and I've been absolutely loving it. But now it's discontinued and they've released a new one. In this video, we're going to take the old one out, fit the new one and see if it's worth the upgrade. So as I mentioned in the intro, I've been using the old Mr12Volt unit in this car for the last couple of years, and it's really useful for things like Spotify and Waze. We do have those in the newer cars, and when you jump in an older car, I find that you really miss it. It's actually meant that I've used this car more than I would have. So if I have something to do where I'm running an errand and I'm going to be stuck in traffic, I actually will pick the keys up for this rather than ignoring it and driving one of the newer cars. So I've been using the new unit for the last couple of weeks and I would definitely still recommend it. It's snappier and it feels like it boots up a little bit faster. Matt has put a video together so you can compare these. So as you can see, it boots up quicker and it's slightly more responsive. But the second thing people have been asking us about is the phone quality improved? So we've got a comparison here of the old unit, the new unit, and the stock system.
Okay, so this is a microphone quality test of the P2000 Mr12Volt fitted to a CIC E92 M3 with the OEM microphone support over wireless Apple CarPlay. So this is the microphone quality you could expect. We are stationary, so you would have kind of road noise and things, but this is a general microphone quality test compared to the new P3000, which we'll now show you. Okay, so this is the microphone of the new P3000 CIC unit, which uses the OEM microphone, and this is over wireless Apple CarPlay. The unit does feature more echo cancellation settings. The P2000 was an automatic option, where this one has a manual adjustment, which could be more annoying to set up initially, but might give you more adjustment. There is also adjustment for microphone volume and call volume in the Mr12Volt settings, which I don't believe was available on the P2000 either. For comparison purposes, this is the same iPhone connected directly to the iDrive head unit via Bluetooth, with the phone call routed through the OEM iDrive head unit using the OEM microphone. So both the Mr12Volt systems and this are using the exact same microphone. So it's interesting if there is any audio quality difference. For comparison, this is the microphone quality of the iPhone's built-in microphone, sat in exactly the same place with the iPhone held up to my head. Lastly, for comparison, this is the OEM wireless CarPlay integration of an F82 M3 with an MBT Evo head unit running ID5. So this is what the BMW intended for a wireless CarPlay audio call to sound like.
So the old Mr12Volt unit was, in our opinion, the best thing on the market for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on these older cars, especially with the most audio connection, because that just made the audio sound amazing. Now the U unit is even better. It's faster, it responds better, and with more software upgrades, we don't know what's to come with this. So when you ask the question, is it worth upgrading? I would say right now, probably not. But we don't know what software is going to be updated on this, and it may well be better in the future. So if you currently own one of these, I would say not worth upgrading, but this is still the best thing on the market. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.